See that. While CTR equal 0. Okay, means it's comparing CTR is equals to 0. Right now value of the CTR is 0. So 0 equal 0. Condition true. So it will print this is printed. Okay, and then CTR plus plus. When the value of the CTR will increase, so it will be 1. So 1 equal 0. Condition false. So means only one time it's going to be executed. One time it's going to show you this is printed. If they are asking the output, then what you will write? This is printed. Only one time you will write. Or if they are asking that how many time loop is executing, then only one time. Loop will execute one time. See that. This is printed only one time, right? So output of this, how many time it will execute? Only one time. One time. It will execute one time. Now the next question number 13. Declaration here, initialization here, test condition here, CTR plus plus, updation is here. Okay, but again see that semicolon. This is the example of bodiless loop, if you remember, or null loop. It means it will not come to the body. This braces will not consider as the body of loop. These statements cannot be considered as the body of loop due to this semicolon out of the for loop, due to this. Okay, so this loop will execute 10 times. Yes, obviously this loop is going to be executed 10 times till the condition is true. So less than equals to 10 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times this loop will execute, but output will be count is, then value of the CTR will be 11. So count is 11. Then after that statement outside the loop. See that. We'll check this. Compile. Then void main. Count is 11 statement outside the loop. Means both the statements going to be executed, but these statements are not the part of the loop. These are simply a normal block of the program. Okay, this loop is not having the body, no body, due to this semicolon. Okay, so this is bodiless loop or the null loop. Okay, now this bodiless loop, how you will understand by this semicolon. Okay, now how it is displaying 11 CTR, because till the 10 this condition is true. No, when this will come out of the loop, when the value of CTR will be 11, then condition will be false. So here CTR will be 11 and this output. Understood? So how many times loop executed? Loop executed 10 times. 10 times. Okay, you cannot say the loop is not executed. Loop execution means how many times these iterations are executing. 10 times. Okay, now solve the question number 13. Miss, next one. This is the pre-increment. Pre-increment means it will increase the value first. No, sorry, this is the post increment, and we are starting I with 2. So 2, and it is the post increment. I2 means 2 less than equals to 2. Condition will be true. Then plus plus. Then it will increase the value. Okay, means after this iteration it will be 3 automatically. Then 4, then 4. Yes, 4 will be there. See that? We can check the output. 4 and 5. But loop is executing only one time. But this loop is executing only one time. What's happening? Listen. In 15, a is 0 less than 30. A plus plus. Less than 30 means till 29 it will execute. But 0 to 29 means 30 times. Okay. If we are writing this loop as it is, then this loop should execute 30 times. But see the next statements. If a equal 5, then break. Means when the value of a will be 5 now, then it will break and come out from the loop. Okay, so means instead of executing 30 times, this loop will execute only 4 times. Question number 15, loop will execute 4 times. And the output of the A will be your 5. Output A is 5. Because when the condition is true, then only this loop is coming out. So it is A is 5. Okay. And loop is executing 4 times. Yes, just inverse of this, question number 16, continue. A0 to less than 30. It is not 1 to 30. Okay, it is 0 to less than 30 means 0 to 29. So 0 will be counted. So this loop will execute. This loop will execute 30 times. Okay, but A equal 5. Then continue. So your output will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then skip the 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till the 29. But how you will write that? How many times this loop execute? Loop will execute 30 times. This if statement will be continued, means it will be skipped. But the loop is executing 30 times in this case. Okay. So result of this, loop will execute 30 times. Clear? Understood? Okay. Then next question solve karo. Question number 7. Sorry, 17. Question number 17. See, I is 3 less than equals to 4. Means outer loop will execute 3 and 4 two times. Okay. Now, when outer loop executing first time, then j equals to 2, j less than I means 3. 2 less than 3 means one time this inner loop is going to be executed. Then it will display space only. Only just space. Okay. Then again, this will execute with 2 time win-win. Yes, with the spaces. Yes, correct. Means, see that, compile. Win, first space of the outer loop. Second space, then third space, and then win. Output of this loop. And is executing 4 times only.